Hi everyone, I'm back. So, did you guess which one I chose? I went with E. I decided to try the one with the visor. So, I'm laying out the pieces now, and I had to be a little bit creative with it. Um, First, I had to fold the fabric right sides to right sides. So, what we're looking at here is the wrong side. There's a little piece out like that. They gave you that in the layout guide. Let me see if I can bring that up for you again. The layout guide for E is this one here. Alright, and so you have to have the selvages folded like that. The fold is here so that you could put the band on the fold. Now the band has to be cut twice. So right now I have one band pin here, and you have to be careful with knit. It's very stretchy and it curls at the edges. So I have a couple pins to secure it here. So it stretches and bounces back. So you have to be careful with the layout of the pattern. But this is the band on the fold. This is the fold here. So this space in here is where I'm actually going to flip and do the second cut of the band. And the pattern for the band is facing down, so it's actually curving this way, piece number 10. And so I'm gonna do a duplicate right here in this space to cut the second one. Over here is the side, and you have to pay attention as well to the green lines, these arrows. So the green line has to be parallel to the selvage. And how I know that these were the selvages is that if you look closely, I'm not sure if you're gonna see it, but the selvages usually are a little bit rough, and sometimes some dots, punched holes are in them, and so you can sort of figure out that this is a selvage of the material. That's one piece, and that's the other one. It's a little bit rough there. Some holes at the edge. I see some pinholes. Those were not pinholes, those were holes that came, that you will find sometimes in the knit selvages. So this arrow, the green line arrow, has to run parallel to that. This is the visor, which also has the green line, which should be running parallel to the selvage. And this piece here, we only need one, so it was recommended that this be cut partly on here, and there's a little piece under the fold here that will get to be cut out on the one when I've finished flipping and doing the band. There will be space to do the rest of that cut, because this is just one cut. So that's the layout. A little bit different than what was here, but I had to work with the material, the knit that I have. So you'll see they had the folds to this end. I have it to the other end, and the other piece is the other way, and that will be good as long as you have the grain lines matching up. Alright, here's the green line again. It says green line clearly, and you'll see the arrow, so you have it parallel to the selvage, so that way you know you have laid out the pattern correctly. So I'm about to cut, and we'll move on from there. So it's option E. Congratulations to those who chose the right one. Okay, next step coming up.